John's very excited.
Yes. Why?
He loves him some marinara.
That's alright. I love my marinara.
So anyway. Hey, Melissa here for Stonehouse Homestead, where we're taking small steps towards self-sufficiency, using what we have to do what we can right here where we are. And wait till you see what I am making for our breakfast for the rest of the week. All right, so what I'm working on right now is some homemade marinara we're gonna have for the rest of the morning for breakfast. John is a huge fan of marinara. So basically it's really easy. I've got some high quality olive oil cooking on medium with some onion and garlic from our garden. And then, hold on a second, let me turn this down a bit here. Okay. And then, as you can see here, I'm using tomatoes that we canned last year. And then I've got some basil and some oregano from the garden. So all of this is going to go into the pot here. I'll throw in some hot pepper powder, and I might throw in a little bit, maybe a little honey or some balsamic vinegar, just a splash for a little, to cut the acid a little bit. But it's really, really easy. Just going to cook it up and then we'll put it in the fridge overnight because it always tastes better the next day, and that's going to be our breakfast. I'm going to throw a salad with it, and then I have some garlic bread in the freezer. So far so good. We're doing great on day 2. So I just dumped my tomatoes into that onion and the garlic in here from the garden that I put in here. Let that saute a little bit, then dump the tomatoes in and mashed it with my potato masher. And then as it cooks for a little while, it'll come up to a simmer, and I'm going to throw our fresh herbs on top and just let it sit there and simmer for quite a while till it looks good. And the olive oil is taken on an orangey, tomatoey kind of look. And then we'll add plenty of salt because these are home canned unsalted tomatoes, and I'll add some crushed hot pepper just for a little zip. And we're going to have ourselves quite a breakfast. Now, for those of you who are saying, if you're eating this for breakfast, what are you eating for dinner? The answer would be nothing. We are doing 2 meals a day, trying intermittent fasting for weight loss. So that's why this is our breakfast. So I look forward to showing you the finished product and our breakfast in the morning.
How rude!
This is going to be yummy. Can't wait to eat breakfast tomorrow morning.